Parle-G. It is the best biscuit in the world. Today we are not going to discuss is Parle-G the best biscuit in the world. It is. ये बात हम सब जानते हैं और हमें इस बात को मानना ही पड़ेगा. I personally don't know a single person who doesn't like this biscuit. हर किसी को ये बिस्किट पसंद है. Today we are going to find out how did this biscuit become the number one biscuit in the world. The first ever Parle-G was made in 1939 under the name Parle Gluco. Mohanlal Dayal, a Bombay-based silk trader, got inspired by the Swadeshi movement and in 1929 launched the Parle company with its first product, that was the orange candies. Prior to that, the snacks, biscuits and candies that were available in the market were of foreign brands, usually British and French brands, and those were so expensive that they were not affordable for the common Indian man. So the Parle-G biscuit that was launched by Parle, it became an instant success. It became so popular amongst the common people that after a point in time, even the Britishers started preferring it over their own snacks. Being affordable made it a product of the masses. During the Second World War, it was a huge hit even with the British Indian Army. वही टेस्ट, वही क्वालिटी, वही पैकेट, वही प्राइस, वही मैस्कॉट. अगर कोई चीज अच्छी चली तो उसको चेंज क्यों करना? The things that have worked well for Parle-G have remained very consistent, and the only focus of Parle-G throughout the years has been selling glucose biscuit that is affordable and accessible to all. पूरे देश में शायद ही ऐसी कोई शॉप होगी, कोई जनरल स्टोर या कोई केमिस्ट होगा जहां पे Parle-G ना मिलता हो. Parle-G इंडिया के छोटे से छोटे गांव से लेके बड़े से बड़े शहर हर जगह अवेलेबल है. The strong distribution network of Parle-G makes it available in every nook and corner of the country. In 1982, Parle Gluco became Parle-G, and this was followed by an ad campaign which was called Swad Bhare Shakti Bhare Parle-G. In 1998, Parle-G was endorsed by none other than Shaktiman, which was the kids' favorite Desi superhero. After that, Parle-G kept coming up with innovative and new brand campaigns which targeted not just the kids, not just the elderly, not just the youth, but the entire audience. A very famous ad campaign of Parle-G was called G Mane Genius, which told us that first the G which stood for gluco now stood for genius. छोटे बच्चों से लेके बड़े बूढ़ों तक हर कोई इस बिस्किट को पसंद करता है. Parle-G is consistently good quality and its universal appeal makes it likable for all kinds of audiences. What started off as just a snack has now become a staple part of people's diet. लोग Parle-G को चाय के साथ खाते हैं, कॉफी के साथ खाते हैं, दूध के साथ खाते हैं, यहाँ तक कि पानी के साथ भी खा लेते हैं. For many underprivileged people in the country, it is the most easily available and the most affordable source of nutrition. Over the years, the only thing that has changed about Parle-G is its availability in different sizes. Today, a Parle-G is available from 2 rupees to up to 50 rupees. It is hence available and affordable to all the stratas of the society. The same white and yellow packaging over the years with the photo of the little girl on it has helped the people in creating a strong connection with the brand. It has provided Parle-G with a brand identity. It has helped the biscuit in creating a strong brand recall value. In a highly competitive market where every brand looks to survive, the brands have to increase the price. But among other things, one more thing where Parle-G maintained its consistency was the price. It was priced at 4 rupees a packet for the longest time, and I have never seen a brand which has stuck to the same price for so long. Since the whole purpose of the biscuit was to make it affordable to everyone, it has to be reasonably priced, and that 4 rupees became so consistent that it became synonymous with the brand. For someone like me, Parle-G is still the 4 rupees wala glucose ka packet, even though today it is worth 5 rupees a packet. Let's look at some of the fun facts that we know about Parle-G. The girl on the packet, that is not an actual person. It is an illustration which was made in the 1960s by an artist called Maganlal Daiya. If you line up all Parle-G biscuits that are consumed annually, line by line, you can go around the world 192 times. Mohanlal Dayal started the Parle company with 12 of his family members. They got so busy in building the company that they forgot to name the company. And finally, the company was named Parle after its place of birth, Ville Parle, which is a suburban locality in Mumbai. 400 million Parle-G biscuits are produced daily. And if the entire month's production is stacked side by side, the distance from the earth till the moon can be covered. There are approximately 4,500 people who are eating Parle-G biscuit this very second. So all these points that we discussed today, they may sound very simple, they may sound very basic, but still Parle-G is the only brand which has stuck to its principle, and that too close for 100 years, and it has not only survived the market, but it has also dominated the market. In today's date, Parle-G has approximately 75% of the market share of the glucose biscuit market of India, and it has more than 20% of the market share in the biscuit market of India. So you can just imagine, if the product quality is good and if the quality is maintained consistently over a long period of time, you definitely can not only survive in the market, but you can also dominate the market. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching yet another video. I hope you guys liked it. Please share it with your friends and family. Please share it with people whom you feel might find it helpful and useful. Like करो, comment करो, share करो, subscribe करो, and bell icon दबाना मत भूलना, it's very important. And you can also connect with me on Instagram. So if you have any more such questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please let me know on Instagram.